Hello guys, welcome on control panel overview video in Samsung dryer TV. So the first button it's for turning on. There we have a display. Button number 2 it's a cycle selector. Number 3 it's a drying level. Number 4 it's about the time. Number 5 it's auto cycling. Number 6 it's a smart control icon. Number 7, sorry I lost number 7, okay, number 7 is for a sound. Then number 8 it's for a room light. Number 9 is for a damp alert, and number 10 is a wrinkle prevent function. This button of course is for a turning on and off the cycle. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.